All right, how to make a frequency table and a bar chart using Google Sheets. So the first thing we'll do is we're going to create two columns here. One column we're going to call quiz scores, okay, or just scores in this case, and then a column next to it called frequency, and that's going to make up our frequency table. Now, out of these quiz scores, there's a possibility of a 0 through 10. So we're going to put those down here. 0, and now, in order to calculate the frequency of each one of these, we use the frequency function in Google Sheets. So I'm going to click in the first cell under the word frequency, and I'm going to type in equals, and then I start typing the word frequency, and the function will appear. So you click on that. Now you're going to choose the column of data or the range of data that you want to find the frequencies in. So that's right over here where our quiz scores are. So I'm just going to click on this 0, keep my the left button down, and scroll down until I reach the bottom of my data. And you'll see over here that it says it's selected cell A14, A45. Okay, this is A14 where the 0 is, and A45. Then I'm going to type in a comma, and now I'm going to put in the range of the classes. So in that case, that's our scores. So just click, left click, and scroll down to the end of that. And now I'm just going to close my parenthesis, and it's going to populate the frequencies. So if you check, there's 1 0, there's 2 1s, there's 3 2s, etc. That's how you make your frequency table. Now I can make a bar chart out of this frequency table. I'm going to highlight the score in the frequency column, and I'm going to go down till I reach 10, and then I come over here to the insert chart, click on that, and most of the time Google will pick what kind of chart is best. In this case, we did want a column chart, so we call it a bar graph, and there is your bar graph based on a frequency table.